You know, you learn something every day. How many times do you say that? It is so true. That's why it pays to pay attention. I can't believe what I recently learned. Heard a doctor talking about on a radio show. Then, of course, I checked it out and did my research. Let me start out by saying this, folks. Don't settle. Don't give in. Dig in your heels. Begin again. Don't be infected by your fears. I'm here to tell you, you got a lot more years. The other day, vaccines. No, I mean, okay, I thought I knew the definition of a vaccine, but when I dug into it a little bit and I kind of understood it, I said, this is so relative to what ails us. Apparently, vaccines, okay, help a body prepare in advance to fight illness and potentially deadly diseases, right? Well, essentially, the vaccine gives the body a preview, coming attraction of the bacteria, or the technical term bacterium, the virus, or the toxin, and it allows it to learn how to defend itself in advance. So if the body is ever invaded by that particular bacteria or virus or toxin that we're trying not to get, after the vaccine, this is the cool part, has done its work, saw what's going on, got a preview of what's happening, the body's immune system is ready. So once again, all the answers are inside of us, quite literally. This is what that is saying, and I know you get it. You gotta be injected with what you're fearing or what you don't want to get, so your body knows how to handle it when it comes about. Well, it's no different than what goes on in our life. Our fears, setting goals, people being critical of what we're doing, our health, our dreams, our desires. Look, it's true, but you've got to fail to succeed. You got to get out there and get, like I always say, the proverbial bloody nose. Same thing with the vaccine. You know, not a great analogy, but for many years we would go to vacation in Florida, and every year they had where we stayed had a built-in pool and a diving board. And I used to love to dive. Not that I was that great, but I can remember times getting nervous. I would try these different dives, and I would think about it, back and forth. I think one time my dad just like pushed me in, and then I got over it. But every time I tried and I was concerned about the new dive, the funny thing happened. As soon as I dove in, no matter how hard I stung myself or got hurt or slapped and smacked the water, I got right back up. I couldn't wait to get back up and get back on the diving board again. Because I'm like, okay, I know what I did wrong. I twisted that way. I got to do the full gainer. I got to push my head back this way. But I did it. Once you do it, half the stuff that we worry about is right up here. So how do you become immune to your fears of failure, about your dreams, about success? Well, you need a shot of it. You need to go out and try to do these things so that you can become your own vaccine. So, in effect, the next time you're feeling like, ooh, something's coming on, I feel like I'm getting, I don't know, breaking out in hives or blotchy or something. Relax, folks. If you feel like things are starting to ail you, just remember what I said. Even to protect against all these viruses and everything that are out there today, the reason why you have to be injected with them is your body says, bring it on. I can handle it. Let me see what's happening. Well, it's the same thing. If you get chill and you feel like, hey, I feel some anxiety coming on, what are you anxious about? Okay? What are you anxious about? Move forward. Your health. Who doesn't? You see that right there? Look at the health. I'm breaking out with some health issues. Well, first of all, are you healthy? Are you doing what you're supposed to do every day? Some form of exercise? Watching what you eat? And keeping your head together? You're feeling low success. Hey, we could talk all night about that. How many people, we sabotage our own success? It takes a lot of guts to be successful. You gotta live up to yourself. And this one here, right around the neck, gets you all the time. Critics. First of all, folks, there's never been a statue built of a critic. But who's the worst critic? Hello, for me, it's been me. It's probably for you. How can you critique yourself if you haven't done something? In fact, you ought to look back and see what you've done recently. If you're trying, you might be further along than you think. And then if you really get worked up about failure and your goals, you can't have one without the other. So you set a goal. Set it to be attainable, to give yourself the energy and enthusiasm to move forward. And failure, there's no such thing as failure. They're only outcomes. You gotta realize, you can't fail. This is your program. This is your life. You are the vaccine to what you're doing. Your own life, your own health, your own program. So remember, the next time you want a preview of your bacteria, your virus, your toxins, go out there and make something happen. Go out there and get busy with yourself. You deserve it. Don't settle. Don't ever give in. That's why you're here. There's a lot more life left in you. Dig in your heels. Begin again. Don't be infected by your fears. I'm here to tell you, you got a lot more years. Thanks again for tuning in. Make it a great day. That's right, because it's the only one that you've got. Thank you.